Welcome to the new Unemployment Compensation UC system. In this lesson, you will learn how to file an appeal from the new UC dashboard. After logging in, click on the Unemployment Services tab and choose Appeals to get started. Next, click the Determinations tab. You may file an appeal to monetary or non-monetary determinations. The process is similar. For this example, an appeal will be filed to a non-monetary determination. Navigate to the non-monetary determination section. Here you will be able to see details about past appeals and have the ability to file a new appeal. Review the determination you would like to appeal and click File Appeal underneath the Actions tab. Next, you will be presented with a screen displaying your basic claim information and a place for you to list a reason for filing an appeal. Enter the reason you disagree with the determination in the text box provided, then click the Next button to continue. This screen will provide you with the opportunity to add a counsel or lawyer contact. If you do not wish to add any counsel contacts, click Next. For this video, we will select Add a new contact and complete the process. After choosing to add a new contact, you will be presented with the following screen. Complete the name, address, and phone information fields, then select your contact type from the drop-down menu. When finished, click Save and then click Return to Previous Page. You are now taken to a page that may look familiar. However, this page allows you to designate someone to serve as a witness for your appeal. If you do not wish to add any witness contacts, click Next at this time. For this video, we will select Add a new contact and complete the process. After choosing Add a new contact, you will be presented with the following screen. Complete the name and address information fields, then select your contact type from the drop-down menu. When finished, click Save and then click Return to Previous Page. Next, you will have the opportunity to upload additional documents to support your case. First, click the Browse button, then navigate to the document you wish to upload and double-click on the file name. At this point, you should see the uploaded document path displayed in the grid. Click Upload and your document is now attached to the appeal case file. Click Next to continue. At this time, you will be asked if you need assistance. Individuals who may require assistance because of a disability with hearing, speech, or vision, or need an interpreter for a language other than English, may select Yes and choose the required services from the drop-down menus. If you do not require assistance, select No and click Finish. Well done! You have successfully filed an appeal and the confirmation message will be displayed. Please remember, if your claim has multiple disqualifications and/or overpayments, you will need to separately appeal each disqualification or overpayment. To do so, click Return to my dashboard and follow the same steps that we just completed together for each determination you wish to appeal. To review your appeal, choose Unemployment Services and then Appeals from the left navigation menu of the home screen. Next, click the Appeals Filed tab and select which appeal you would like to review from the drop-down menu. You are now presented with your appeal information such as docket number, appeal authority, and the current status. After the appeal is processed, both the claimant, employer, and counsel contacts will receive an acknowledgement of UC appeal to referee. When a hearing is scheduled, both parties and counsel will receive a notice of hearing in the mail which provides the date, time, and location of the hearing with the UC referee. All notices are mailed via U.S. Postal Service and delivered electronically to your dashboard. For more information, please visit www.uc.pa.gov.